Is your cozy winter bed secretly making you sick? Discover 5 proven ways to eliminate those hidden germs and reclaim your sleep sanctuary. Imagine curling up under your warm duvet on a chilly winter night, thinking you're in the ultimate comfort zone. But what if that very sanctuary is breeding a silent army of germs right beneath you? As the mercury drops and we hunker down indoors, our bedrooms transform into unintended germ factories, and your mattress might be ground zero. Shocked? You're not alone. And this is the hidden truth most of us overlook until it's too late. With windows sealed shut, heaters cranking up the warmth, and those long, indulgent nights spent snuggled in, your mattress inadvertently collects dampness, dust particles, and microscopic invaders. No matter how frequently you launder your sheets and pillowcases, perspiration, shed skin flakes, and irritants manage to infiltrate the mattress itself over time. This build-up doesn't just shorten your bed's lifespan, it can disrupt your rest, compromise your health, and even affect your overall vitality. Even if you've invested in one of the top-rated mattresses, like those reviewed on Tom's Guide, they require ongoing upkeep to maintain their peak performance. So, as we embrace the Fall Back into Great Sleep initiative, check out Tom's Guide's wellness section for more. We're excited to share practical cleaning routines and expert-endorsed advice to ensure your sleeping space stays pristine, wholesome, and microbe-free throughout the winter season. Can your bed really trigger illness? You might be astonished to learn that your mattress has the potential to contribute to sickness, particularly during the colder months. The combination of radiant heat from your body, humid air from closed windows, and indoor warming systems creates an ideal incubator for harmful organisms. Dust mites, microbes, fungi. For mold removal tips, visit Tom's Guide. Along with bodily fluids and decayed skin particles, gradually build up in mattresses, explains Dr. Olalekan Otolana, a general practitioner at Castleberry Court. This accumulation can exacerbate asthma, provoke allergic responses, and inflame skin issues like eczema. Moreover, when mold appears, it raises the risk of respiratory ailments, he continues. For the latest updates, exclusive reviews, unbeatable bargains, and handy advice, sign up now. A mattress teeming with allergens or fungi can manifest as stuffy noses, persistent coughs, labored breathing, and irritated eyes, according to Dr. Otolana. These disturbances throw off your sleep patterns, dive deeper into sleep cycles on Tom's Guide, resulting in subpar rest and exhaustion during the day. Prolonged interaction might intensify asthma or sinus problems, and fragmented sleep weakens your body's defenses and emotional balance. But here's where it gets controversial. Some folks argue that modern cleaning standards have made our homes too sterile, potentially harming our immune systems by limiting exposure to everyday microbes. Is it possible that a bit of natural dirt could actually bolster our health? We'll explore this counterpoint later, but for now, let's focus on keeping things clean. What do you think? Does the fear of germs make us overreact, or is vigilance the key? 5 effective strategies to rid your mattress of winter germs. The silver lining? Achieving a cleaner, healthier bed doesn't demand a massive overhaul. By incorporating a few straightforward habits into your routine, you can zap germs, dust, and allergens before they escalate into bigger issues. These recommendations, backed by professionals, will keep your mattress fresh. Safeguard your well-being and elevate your sleep habits. Learn about sleep hygiene on Tom's Guide all winter long. Refresh your bedding weekly. Winter linens are irresistibly snug. Their heft and warmth invite extended lounging. Yet this coziness, paired with sweat and dead skin, fosters bacterial proliferation and dust mite colonies. Neglecting to launder sheets and pillowcases every 7 days allows microbes to multiply in close proximity to your face and breathing passages. As the largest sleeping surface, the mattress holds plenty, but bedding and pillows accumulate even greater amounts of moisture and skin debris, notes Dr. Blen Tesfu, a physician and medical consultant at Welzo. Skipping weekly washes lets bacteria thrive right near your airways. Regularly washing and swapping out your bedding helps extract these pollutants before they embed in your mattress. Aim to clean your linens. Avoid these common mistakes when washing bedding per Tom's Guide, including sheets, pillowcases, and duvet covers, in water heated to at least 40 degrees Celsius. 60 degrees Celsius is optimal for eradicating dust mites and pathogens. For an added boost of purity, weather permitting, let them dry in the open air. Sunlight's ultraviolet rays naturally neutralize bacteria. Give your mattress a good vacuuming. One of the simplest methods to maintain a spotless bed and eliminate dust mites and their waste is through regular vacuuming. Tom's Guide highlights 5 reasons why this is crucial. Suction the mattress surface each time you change sheets, or at minimum, monthly if that's more feasible. It yields significant benefits. No fancy equipment needed. Your standard home vacuum with an upholstery nozzle will suffice, focusing on edges, seams, and hidden spots. To amp up the freshness, dust the mattress with baking soda. Let it sit for a couple of hours, then vacuum again. This absorbs scents and trapped moisture. Opt for bedding from natural fibers. Your choice of materials matters immensely. Man-made fabrics tend to retain heat and dampness, cultivating a sweaty haven for bacteria. Switch to organic, breathable options like cotton, linen, or bamboo. Bamboo stands out as a superior choice for inhibiting microbial activity. Bamboo linens excel at thwarting bacteria due to the inherent antibacterial and moisture control qualities of bamboo threads, advises Emma Morgan, founder of All About Sleep. She elaborates, bamboo features a compound known as bamboo kun, a natural agent that shields against pests and bacterial invasion in its native environment. Consequently, bamboo outperforms cotton or synthetics in suppressing microbe growth. It's also gentle on allergies, repelling dust mites and mold, which can aggravate skin sensitivities and trigger allergic episodes. This makes it ideal for those with delicate complexions or sensitivities, Morgan adds. Invest in a hypoallergenic mattress protector. Premium protectors. Explore the best options on Tom's Guide. Form a shield against sweat, skin shedding, allergens, and accidental spills. These can lead to discoloration and bacterial hotspots over time. A high-quality one prevents liquids and germs from penetrating the mattress while simplifying maintenance. You can detach and wash it easily. Opt for permeable, organic materials like cotton or bamboo in bedding and protectors, as they draw away moisture and promote airflow, states Dr. Otulana. Hypoallergenic protectors with dense weaves also curb dust mite buildup and are straightforward to clean. Address stains and perform seasonal deep cleans. Steady upkeep. Tom's Guide's guide to mattress maintenance is essential year-round, but thorough cleans every few months enhance hygiene and freshness. When to refresh items in your bed. Deep clean your mattress biannually. Launder pillows every quarter. Wash bedding weekly. Conduct a full mattress cleanse twice a year. Pillow washing should occur quarterly, with replacements every 1 to 2 years. Monthly vacuuming is wise, though allergy sufferers might benefit from more frequent sessions, suggests Dr. Otulana. Promptly tackling stains is crucial too. Tom's Guide covers common mattress stains. Create a mixture of equal vinegar and water in a spray bottle. First, vacuum the mattress. Then apply the spray, dab with a towel or cloth, and sprinkle baking soda to neutralize odors and moisture. Allow it to rest for a few hours before thorough vacuuming. Avoid soaking, as it could promote mold from excess dampness. For stubborn or ingrained marks, repeat or try a stronger remedy. Our DIY stain remover guide on Tom's Guide offers more insights. And this is the part most people miss. Even with all these tips, what if your mattress is beyond saving? Some experts debate whether it's ever worth repairing an old bed or if replacement is the only real solution. Could clinging to a germ-laden mattress be costing you more in the long run? Top sleep hygiene practices for a pristine bedroom. Sound sleep routines are vital, regardless of the weather. They foster superior rest. A new study emphasizes quality over quantity, per Tom's Guide, and bolster health. Here are some straightforward pointers to keep your bedroom wholesome, microbe-free, and restorative. Avoid overnight heating. It's tempting to keep the heat running in winter, but for optimal slumber, allow your room to cool slightly. Your core temperature must decrease for swift, deep sleep. A moderate yet inviting atmosphere, about 18 to 20 degrees Celsius, encourages profound rest, Morgan recommends. She notes that ideal sleep habits involve breathable linens, layered covers over heavy heating, and consistent temperatures, averting sweats or chills that disturb your night. Choose temperature-balancing bedding fabrics like wool, cotton, or bamboo self-regulate heat, offering warmth without excess, especially amidst seasonal shifts. Wool is particularly effective, drawing out moisture to maintain dryness and deter bacterial formation. Bamboo inherently adjusts temperature, cooling in heat and warming in cold, Morgan says. This creates a drier, sweat-free setup that minimizes microbial and fungal accumulation. And don't forget routine care. Frequent hot water washes are key to controlling bacteria. Employ allergy-safe pillow and mattress encasements as buffers against dust mites. The simplest step, weekly hot water laundry for your bedding if feasible, advises Dr. Tesfu. Maintain a spotless bedroom. A tidy, organized bedroom leads to superior sleep. Tom's Guide explains how decluttering reduces anxiety and speeds sleep onset. It's not merely aesthetic. Cluttered areas harbor more dust, which can spark allergies. Beyond the mattress, weekly vacuuming of rugs and floors and clearing surfaces of clutter are essentials. A dust-minimized space profoundly impacts relaxation. A germ-free sleep zone aids immunity by limiting nightly allergen exposure, but prolonged interaction with low air quality and particulates during rest subtly taxes us, diminishing sleep depth, inducing lethargy, or weakening seasonal resilience. Dr. Tesfu explains. She concludes, hence, an allergen-free bedroom acts as a safeguard for wellness in winter. What are your thoughts on balancing cleanliness with a natural level of exposure to germs? Do you believe our obsession with hygiene is overblown, or is it a necessary defense against winter woes? Share your opinions in the comments. Do you agree that a fresh mattress is non-negotiable for good health? Or is there a counter-argument we've missed? Let's discuss. Rachel brings a passion for sleep-related topics, boasting specialized expertise in mattress upkeep. She equips readers with top-notch tricks and product tests for pristine beds, while covering major brands like Helix, Saatva, and Nectar to aid informed bed purchases. Her interests extend to home, travel, and tech reviews, focusing on simplifying life with innovations such as smart devices. Over 15 years, Rachel has written for outlets including Tom's Guide, Creative Block, The Independent, The Spectator, Daily Express, and others.